Hi everyone! Today, I am going to make a Python tutorial about problem number 22. So, in this activity, we'll learn how to use lists, strings, integers, floats, and also how to find the sum and the average of these numbers. Okay, let's go!
So first, we need to find our PyCharm op and then right-click the project one, click New and Python file, and put problem 22. On the first line, we put this. So here, I created a list named data. I use a list because it can store multiple values even they are not the same type. Now, let's identify the data types. The 50, the average is, and the 20, and also the sum is are the strings because they are inside the quotation marks. The 30 is an integer because it's a whole number. And the 5.5 it's a float because it has a decimal point. So now let's move on to the second line. So A, B, C, D, E until F and is equals to data. So I did this because it's easier to use each value individually when we calculate later. And then third line. So the third line is sum is equals to float A plus B plus D plus float E. So I use float A and float E because they are strings, which is the 50 and the 20. So Python cannot add text and numbers directly. So I converted them into floats to make them numeric. So after conversion, 50 becomes 50.0 and 20 becomes 20.0. So, now we can add them all. Kay, na-convert naman nato sila into floats. So, pwede na sila i-add. So, now, let's move on to line 4. The line 4 is average is equals to sum divided by 4. I divided by 4 because there are 4 numeric values in total. So the result will be a float because division in Python always gives a decimal answer. So now let's move to line 5. So this is the line 5. I use F strings because they let me combine the words and numbers in one clean line. And then I copy the 5th line and paste into the 6th line. And then I change the F into C and sum into AVJ. And now, pwede na nato siya iparan. So, the result is 105.50 appeared because when we add all the numbers 50, 30, 5.5, and 20, the total became 105.5. And we converted the strings 50 and 20 into floats so the Python could add them together with the other numbers. That's why the program printed the sum is 105.50. And next, the 26.38 appeared because we divided the total sum 105.5 by 4. there are four numerical values in our list. So 105.5 divided by 4 equals 26.375, which is 26.38 when rounded to two decimal places. That's why the program printed the average is 26.38. So the output shows that our program correctly calculated both the sum and the average.